friends and family. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah and I'm so excited that you joined me today. I am sharing with you an Old Navy / Target haul. A lot of this is stuff that I got for my birthday because I got a lot of Target gift cards. There were some things I wanted from Old Navy and they had like a 30% off sale at the time on most everything on their website. So a lot of these things I got were discounted, which is awesome. So I'm so excited to share these with you. Maybe you'll get some ideas or find some pieces that you might like for yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the non-clothing items first. The first thing I picked up was this candle from Target. The name of it is Neon Guava, and it smells heavenly. It just smells like summer in a jar. And then the next thing I got that I've been eyeballing for a while, I know this is kind of random and you're like, Sarah, why would you get that for your birthday? I've been eyeballing it for almost a year, so I decided to go ahead and get it. And I don't know if you have these razors, it's the Flamingo brand. I don't know if their marketing got me or what, but it's just simple and pretty and cute and kind of modern looking. But I have to be honest, it is one of the best razors I've used in a long time. So it definitely was not money wasted. I mean, it's only like $10. So, but I got the green because green is my favorite color. So I guess I'll go through the Target items first. And actually this top that I'm wearing is one from Target. I got it for, I believe, $8. I like that the sleeve is a little bit longer. I thought the color was really pretty and I didn't really have anything else like this. So it's very comfortable and you could either dress it up or down, which is nice. So I wanted to freshen up all of my tanks. I needed a lot more tanks and I like the way these fit. The first one, it's like a very light blue. I loved the kind of icy blue color. I thought it'd be perfect for summer. You could easily layer it with something. In the same cut, I got like a pretty plum, which I will show you. I have a little clip of where I'm trying on here. I just love the color. It's just very soft and I didn't really have anything else this color. And then I also got it in white because you can always use a fresh white crisp like cami or tank or whatever. Sometimes you just have to get new ones just to freshen it up. These are a little bit of a different cut. The first one is like a tie-dye. It's the same brand, A New Day, but it comes up to the neck, right up underneath like where your collarbone is. I can show you what it looks like here with the black one. I got it in black, white, and then I also got this tie-dye. I don't know why, but this was my 33rd birthday, and for some reason, I was just in like the zone to like freshen up my pajama wardrobe. I feel like all of my pajamas over the years have been like random t-shirts with random pajama pants, which is fine, there's nothing wrong with that, but I kind of wanted to have some pajama sets that actually went together. Like my birthday mission was to get like pajamas. The first one I got at Target, I really love. It's by the Stars Above. And these are the pants. They're like capris and a little top to go with it, and I'll show y'all what that looks like on. But they're very like cool. They're not heavy, but they're very soft, and I got it in the gray with like the little lining around the edges like a cream color. Okay, and then I also got these from Target. They're very lightweight. It's like the pale blue, the soft sky blue with like a light pink and white stripe. And I can show y'all what these look like on. Just very cool and airy, lightweight, which I absolutely love. I also know these are kind of like very what everybody else has been getting, and I've been enjoying them and wearing them a lot lately. And they are fuzzy and comfortable, and they have the open toe, which is great because it kind of allows your feet to breathe a little bit. So I got like the off-white. These are kind of like a cream off-white color. And then I also got a robe at Target and I'll show you what that looks like on. This robe is super comfy. I got it in gray so that way it would go with any of my stuff. And you can see the sleeves are like kind of a little bit, not all the way to your wrist, but kind of 3/4 length sleeved, and they're kind of open. So that way they don't get really in the way. But it's super comfy and soft, and it goes with all of the pajamas that I got, which is a plus. Well, I also got at Target this fun little t-shirt. I'll show you what it looks like on. It's basically just a tee by Fifth Sun, and it's got all these flowers on it with all the names, and it's super comfy and lightweight, so perfect for summertime. I found this little trio set, little teeny ones with like the 3 little, it's like a it's kind of like a soft gold with the little diamonds, and then these like little half hoops, and then these pretty little, they kind of have like a floral look to them. These are by A New Day as well. I love the texture. I have a certain top from Old Navy that I thought these would go perfect with, which you'll see a little bit later on here. So these were A New Day at Target. And then these pretty little things, I just thought they were so cool. They're not like hoops, but they kind of have, I don't know, they're just fun. And then I also got this necklace from Target. It's like a rose gold, and I have a close-up of me wearing it, so I'll show it to y'all here in a second. It's got like the 2 layers. It's like a rose gold with the little long piece and then the little diamonds in the circle. It's super pretty, just different than anything that I had. And I got this sweatshirt from Target. Love it, it's super comfy. And then now I'm going to go ahead and move on to Old Navy. So I got this dress, and it was on sale, and it was really only like $10 after the discount like I told y'all about earlier. It's just a striped dress, and it's super comfy. It's like a t-shirt dress, and oh my gosh, it's absolutely adorable, and it's super comfortable too. I got this polka dot shirt from Old Navy, and it kind of reminds me of like Kate Spade. It actually reminds me of my tea kettle from Kate Spade. So these are the Rockstar super skinny style of jeans that they have at Old Navy. So these jeans are super comfortable. I got 2 pairs of them. I also got a couple of pairs of shorts. The first pair is it's called the boyfriend short. It's a mid-rise. It has a little bit of like a distress to it with a little bit of rips, but it's not like too much, but just enough. These are super comfortable. I love the length on them. I got another pair that does not have the rips in them. So I have a regular pair, and then I have the ripped pair. And then I also got this beautiful tie-dye top from Old Navy, and I love everything about this. It's so pretty. You could dress it up or down. You could easily wear it with like white pants or white shorts, or you could wear it with jeans or shorts, whatever you prefer. It's super pretty. I absolutely love it. And I also got 2 pairs of flip-flops from Old Navy. I love their flip-flops. I feel like every few summers I have to stock up on a couple of pairs, and they usually last me a while. I got this neutral pair that has this pretty sparkly detail in the band here, and then I also got a white pair, which I know will get probably dirty a little bit quicker, but I did not have a white pair of flip-flops, so I wanted to go ahead and get a white pair as well. And then I also got pajamas, and it's a little tank that comes with some shorts, And these are very comfortable and cool and lightweight as well. Beautiful green top that has this really beautiful like pineapple detail and gold on it. I love the way it ties in the back. It's super pretty and comfortable. I love the color. Probably one of my favorite tops that I got from Old Navy. And this is the last top I picked up. I love the length. You can wear with leggings or jeans. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe if you're new. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And don't forget to drop down in the comments and say hello. And until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye!